Hey, I'm Frida with WTI. This is an electrolyte powder by Keppi, and I'm going to tell you how much this has benefited me. If you happen to do keto or you follow a meal plan that really limits the amount of sugars you have, this is a great supplement to have because the only sweeteners in it are monk fruit extract and stevia leaf extract. That's all that's used to sweeten this, and I think it's just right. This is the raspberry lemonade flavor, and I actually look forward to drinking it. They recommend putting the scoop in a 16-ounce glass of water. I like to just put it in a little water so it's concentrated and take it first thing in the morning. The granules of the powder are so small that I don't need a special battery-powered stirrer to mix it. I just can mix it for a few seconds with my spoon, and it has completely dissolved in the glass of water. One of the reasons why I need this powder in particular is because I drink so much water that I end up depleting my body of a lot of its minerals, and it leads to, for me, restless legs at night. The potassium and magnesium in this have really helped quiet my legs at night. So I take this first thing in the morning so that I can feel the benefits working throughout the day. So if you're following a specific meal plan or you have a workout regimen, I would encourage you to add this to your morning routine. Just mix it in a glass of water, drink it first thing in the morning before you start your day, before you have your coffee. Give yourself a little boost to get through whatever it is you have planned in the morning. For me personally, it's being a mom and trying to get all my kids to school on time. I would encourage you to grab some to help you get through whatever life throws at you that day. And that's my point of view.